Art fairs have become central to how collectors discover and buy work today. They bring together galleries, artists, curators, and collectors in one concentrated space. For a new collector, they can feel overwhelming. So much art, so many voices, and pressure to make decisions quickly. Yet, when approached with clarity, art fairs can be one of the most effective ways to deepen a collection. The first advantage is exposure. A single fair can give you access to dozens or even hundreds of galleries, many of whom you would not encounter in your home city. That breadth is invaluable for understanding the current landscape. Who is being shown, what prices look like, and which artists are drawing consistent attention. Even if you do not buy at your first few fairs, the learning is substantial. For more seasoned collectors, fairs offer efficiency. You can meet multiple gallerists in one trip, see a range of works, and start conversations that can later develop into private offers or studio visits. A purchase at the fair is rarely a full story. It often opens doors to deeper engagements with the gallery or artist. But to use fairs well, you need a strategy. Walking in without focus leads to distraction. Before attending, study the exhibitor list. Identify which galleries are relevant to your interests. Mark which artists you want to see in person. That preparation helps you navigate the fair with intent rather than wandering aimlessly. Budget is another point. Prices at fairs can range widely from young emerging artists to established blue-chip names. Having a clear financial boundary ensures you don't get swept away with the energy of the event. Collectors often make impulsive decisions at fairs only to regret them later. Knowing what you are comfortable with allows you to stay grounded. There is also the social dimension. Fairs are where the art world gathers. Conversations with gallerists, curators, and other collectors can be as valuable as the works themselves. Pay attention to how gallerists present their artists. Their narrative often shapes how value is built. Observe which booths are attracting the most attention and why. These signals help you understand where the market is leaning. Importantly, remember that fairs are a starting point, not an end point. If you see a work that interests you, take the time to learn more. Ask about the artist's career, their institutional presence, and the gallery's long-term commitment. Serious galleries want to place works with collectors who will support the artist, not just flip them. Showing that you are informed and engaged will often give you access to stronger works. In South Asia, art fairs have also created new ecosystems. The India Art Fair in New Delhi has put regional artists on international radars, while Art Mumbai has quickly established itself as a fair with a strong global attention and regional focus. Together, they are reshaping how South Asian art is presented, giving collectors the chance to see both established and emerging voices in one setting. For collectors here, attending these fairs is not just about buying. It is about being a part of a larger cultural movement that strengthens the visibility of the art scene. The best way to approach an art fair is with patience and clarity. See it as research, connection, and discovery. Purchases will follow naturally when the right work aligns with your vision. Over time, fairs can become less about the spectacle and more about refinement. A way to sharpen your collection and build relationships that last far beyond the fair itself.